Hi everyone, this is Teacher Rathel, and today I'll be sharing to you a sample detailed UK travel itinerary. You may use this as a guide in creating your own detailed day-to-day travel itinerary for your UK tourist visa application. As you can see, for every day, there's a corresponding destination, activities, entrance, and other expenses for that day, your transportation fees with corresponding amount, food expenses with corresponding amount, you have your accommodation with specific name of hotel, with address, and you may also add here the contact number. And for the notes for the last column, you can write some activities that you might do or add for that particular day. For example, you have on April 6, you will be in London. For activity, you have tour to Cotswolds, Stonehenge, and Windsor Castle. The entrance fees is £50. For transportation, you have your tour bus, which is worth £100. And for food expenses, you have £40. You have your accommodation here. You'll be staying in this particular hotel for 4 days or 4 nights. And then for April 6, you have your notes, full day guided tour. So all these expenses can be traced with the breakdown under your table. Breakdown of expenses per categories. You have your flights, accommodation, transportation, food, activities, and entrance fees. You add all the flights, you add all the accommodations, transportations, food expenses, and entrance fees in order to come up with the total estimated cost of your travel to UK. This approximate cost must coincide with the total estimated cost or expenses written in your cover letter. So that ends my video for today. Thank you for watching and hope this video helps. Good luck in your UK visa application.